diverse team. My team has people from working in Goldman Sachs. My team has people from Columbia, from LSE, a UPSC aspirant, and our lead is from Invest India. I think it's a very, very diverse team, and that really adds to the kind of work culture that comes along. Apart from that, I think it's also been so enlightening, I could say, talking to you and Shatakshi and coming to know about a lot of things I otherwise could not, just based on like the internet research that I've been doing so far. So it's been very nice, and I think it's been exceptionally good. I am really glad I took up this fellowship, and I'm really glad that I think in my first call with you we discussed about the research project, and I asked you what I should do about it. But I'm really glad I took the research project up. It's really helped me in understanding my own capabilities in the light of like other people I've been working with, and it's helped me interact with people from such a diverse team. Firstly, I think getting this quality of a research project without having like everyone asks for an experience. So, like to secure this kind of a research project is something I don't think I would have like gotten the opportunity of so easily. Um, Secondly, the network. I think to connect with so many people from such diverse places, to connect with my mentor, connect with you, Shatakshi, have weekly conversations with you guys, get insights into the kind of spaces that exist where one could experiment with their capabilities. I think that is exceptional. The network. I don't think in India networking is taken as seriously, or it is promoted, or people in general are so much aware about it. And GGI is trying to cultivate that culture, especially with the mentor-mentee program. So that's like really nice. And thirdly, I think personally it gives you credit, like from credibility to your interests, right? Like I would always say that I'm interested in the policy and impact space, but my understanding would be more conceptual, or like derived from the interactions I've had from people working into this space. Now once you work into it, you're also able to understand what are the skills it really requires. Of course full-time work would differ from how it is, but you're able to get into a peek into the real-time working of the things you've been interested in, so that helps you gauge your interest better. We worked on policies that could get more FDI into the Indian manufacturing sector. We worked with Harshita Madan, she works in Invest India, and our white paper, we're going to present it today. It studies firstly especially in the light of the US-China trade wars and the post-pandemic world. We first studied the regional dynamics of free trade. Then we did a sectoral analysis within India of like different sectors, how they're playing out, and then we deep dive into particular parameters that impact the FDI, be it investor support mechanisms, government incentives, raw material and supply chain, and free trade agreements. And then we eventually, everyone brought out suggestions from their own sector, and we combined it. So we also worked on some data collected. We did a lot of research, especially with the ministry data, and we tried to like draw as much insights as we could.